Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and let's provide solution to this question 13 from National Exam 2019. Here we have got a triangle which has two sides which are equal and another side which is not equal to others, so that we have their sides are in equation, whereas this side is equal to x plus 3 and this one is equal to 3x centimeter, whereas this one is equal to x plus 8 centimeter. We are supposed to find the value of x, okay? B, what is the length of each side of triangle above? C, how to find the perimeter of this figure. And we shall use these sides because they are equal to know that 2x, okay, 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x in order to find the value of x, that is a, okay? Then 2x, by grouping like terms, 2x minus 3x will be negative 3, then negative x will be negative 3, whereas x will be a 3. That is the first. Second, we are supposed to find the value of each side. Side 1 will be 2x plus 3, which equals 2 times 3 plus 3. This will provide, this is equal to 6 plus 3. This is equal to a 9. Whereas this is side 2, and we have said that it must be equal, to mean that this will be 3x, which equals to a 3 times a 3, to be a 9. Okay? Then x4 is this one, side 4, side 3, sorry. We have x plus 8, which implies 3 plus 8 to be equal to 11. Okay, now letter C is to find the perimeter. Is sum of three sides, side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Then perimeter will be a 9 plus 11, and this is equal to, this is 29 centimeter. Sorry, here this is 9 centimeter, okay? And this is perimeter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.